At this crucial life juncture, most people get jobs in cities other than their hometowns. Some even travel to places outside their home countries. This provides them with an option of seeing and experiencing more than they have done in the past. However, this exposure can also throw open a number of questions and an identity crisis based on how strong a need you feel for an adjustment to your existing identity if you want to live the life you always imagined living. Although some people take this as an opportunity to expand their own identities by pushing the boundaries of their perception, some others are maybe too scared, so they just choose to remain within their own comfort zones where they lived for many years and find ways to continue to rationalize the same. I don't think there is anything wrong with this approach if it gives you the happiness and contentment that each of us longs for eventually. However, if you are someone who wishes to expand the scope of their life to beyond what it has been so far, it is natural to feel some amount of stretch and discomfort as you redefine your identity. A key characteristic of succeeding in 20s will be to acquire a strong understanding of yourself and emerging out as someone who is able to redefine his or her identity and align it with the one required for achieving the expectations that one has from their lives.